Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be talking to you about 4 different kinds of acrylic paints that I use. The very first one is soft body, and soft body is good for when you're trying to cover a large area without a lot of brush strokes. You see how beautiful and fluid it goes on? If you have a large area that you want to cover, look at that. It's quite beautiful. By the way, this is just an 8x10 little board that I'm working on, and I put an underpainting on it and then added some water, and it cracked. And I think it kind of looks very pretty. But anyway, for today, I'm showing you about these paints. So use this kind of paint when you have large areas, the soft body. Use the soft body when you have a large area to cover. See how smooth it goes on? It's really pretty. The other kind is that I use, well, sometimes I want a different effect. I use ink. Now ink is totally different. You see that? It's like watercolor. But sometimes you want this kind of effect on a painting. You want to be able to see what's underneath, and you can on this one. You can see all those cracks and things coming through. This is the kind to use. Now you could always water down your paint, but like regular acrylic paint, but you really shouldn't water down more than 50%. Now the other one is a heavy body. Now heavy body leaves peaks. See this? It's really high up, leaves little. So sometimes if you're working and you want to go across the canvas and you want to have some texture, this is what you want to use. It's quite effective in giving you really nice textures and effects on your, you can see that there's peaks here. So you use that whenever you want something like that on your painting. And the last one I use is like a student grade, and it goes on pretty good, but the color is not as saturated as you would find with others. It's still a really good paint to use, and I add water to it, just tiny bits amount. You see how it kind of spreads out easy that way. So depending on what you're trying to achieve in your painting, these are the kinds of things that can help you in achieving what you want to do. Anyway, that's it for today, and thanks for watching. Have a great day.